a very, very significant beat in the Q1 numbers posted by Asian Paints versus the ET Now poll. Right from the top line, which obviously consequently did trickle down to the EBITDA, the margins and the bottom line as well. And it's not just that, even the commentary going forward seems to be pretty positive. So we have a revenue figure that has come in at a good 2,900 crore rupees, which definitely is very impressive given the fact that we were estimating the number to come in at roughly about 2,300 crore rupees. Moreover, I would like to highlight the management commentary given over here. April 2020 was obviously a washout quarter because of the lockdown. In June, however, when people got back to business, when unlock sort of kicked in, Asian Paints as well did come back with a bang, and they've reported a healthy double-digit volume growth in their key decorative business. Not just that, even the industrial segment, which by the way is a relatively smaller portion of the business for Asian Paints, has managed to do pretty well. There has been an improvement, mind you, but at a slower pace. But the fact is that the commentary seems to be pretty encouraging from Asian Paints as well. Going back to the numbers, the top line, of course, is a beat. EBITDA has come in at 484 crores. That's almost double what the ET Now poll is. And of course, it's got to do with the fact that revenues too were almost 600 to 700 crores higher than the ET Now poll. So margins perhaps would be a more appropriate number to compare. And there as well, we were expecting 12.6% and Asian Paints managed to beat that through and through with a 16.6% EBITDA margin figure. And I think that's extremely impressive. And that in turn led to a profit after tax as well, coming in excess of 200 crores when we were pegging that figure at 85 crore rupees. When these numbers did hit the screens, we did see a sharp spike as well in the stock price, rightly so, at levels beyond 1,700 rupees. And we know Asian Paints, does have a very solid reputation of managing to maintain their volume growth in double-digit levels. But many analysts do question that this June double-digit growth that we have witnessed, is it purely just a result of all the pent-up demand that sort of trickled in when we started unlocking? Because remember, April saw zero sales. May as well must have seen extremely low sales because for the quarter, Asian Paints was definitely in the negative. However, how much of this double-digit volume growth will actually carry forward in July, in August, and September? Basically, sustainability of this double-digit volume growth will be key because, many analysts do suppose that this would be all of the pent-up demand that is being released and is reflected, in the June month's numbers, which Asian Paints has reported as healthy double-digit volume growth.